I'm back, and I got a mic stand and a sock over the mic. It's a theme sock. We're gonna jump right into Kerbal Space Program because why not? It was like $5 on Steam, so we'll try something new. I've never played this game before. I've seen clips of it. It seems fun, so I thought I would jump into it. We have Gene Kerman. Interesting name. He's Gene Kerman, flight director, and our guide for this quick introduction. This is a space center. From here, we can manage all of our aspects of the space program. Feel free to have a look around. Hold the right mouse button to move the camera or the arrow keys. Okay. Right click over the Space Center facilities to view more about them, and left click when you're ready to head inside. Okay. Let's see, where should we go? Research and development. I guess we can start here. Okay. This is a lot of stuff. So we own these. Okay. A jetpack, interesting. Can't afford because we're broke, I suppose. What if I hit start? Is that a thing? I don't know. Okay. I might cut out a lot of this because I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go in here. The vehicle assembly building. Ooh. Van Herr von Kerman. Chief rocketry engineer. Vehicle assembly building where we build spacecraft and later roll them out. Okay. On our left, I assume that's this. You'll find components to construct your own spacecraft. Select a starting part, then attach others to build a ship. You can have a look around with the right mouse button. Okay. Look at the training section at the main menu. I probably should have done that first. 600 of, I guess that's dollars? What did I do? Oh. Oh shoot. Hang on. What? Okay, so we have an engine, I think. What do we have? Structural. New, build the structure of your dreams. Okay, interesting. No couplings, no payloads. We have a basic fin. Nothing for ground, nothing for thermal, no electrical, no communication. We have one science, mystery goo. We call that boy goo. Cargo is a jetpack and a parachute for another parachute. Might be considered a little more random and stitching together. Oh, hang on, let's see what I can do. Can I put this here? Ah, I can. Tool, move, rotate, select. Oh, okay. Interesting. We're gonna slap an engine here. Okay. What about... Oh, I assume we can't. I feel like that's not supposed to go there. Hang on. How do I delete this? What if I don't want you anymore? Is that how? Okay, I think that is. What do I do now? These little guys. I know that this is nothing. I'm just trying to figure this out. Hang on. Export craft, new, open, save, launch. Let's try this. Let's see what this is going to do. I don't know. Jebediah. Where is our launch button? Toggle brakes, toggle gear. Oh, I have no idea what that does. Cannot transmit science, of course. Display staging, I don't know. Dude. I don't know what I'm doing. Is it obvious? I'm worried it is. I don't want to warp to sunrise. Abort. That might be a good idea. I decided that I should probably jump into the training because I spent way too long trying to figure out what I'm doing and I can't. So we're going to jump into basic construction. Welcome to today's lecture on vessel construction. It's this guy again. I don't want to bother pronouncing his name. Werner. Whether we want to put a satellite in orbit or make a transcontinental flight or step onto the very surface of the Mun. We're going to need to build a ship. Should be pretty easy even if you're not a famous rocket scientist. Okay, sure. Will show us around the Kerbal Space Center. Yeah, we saw that. You can press the back button to go back. Okay. We're now at the Space Center. That's all of this, I assume. We have a runway. So we didn't even build a jet. What is that? Kerbal Space Center for short. It's home to their pinnacle. Cool. Take some time to hover the mouse and see what they are. And enter the vehicle assembly building. So there's research and development, admin, astronauts, space planes, mission control, tracking station. All right, let's go. Let's see. What you see in the middle of the screen is the construction area. On the left side is a parts toolbox. Okay. As we're starting, go ahead and pick that command module. I assume that's where we are. Okay. You can look around. Yeah, we did figure that out. If you'd like your pilot to be able to make more than one flight, we'll have to return safely on Kerbal. Parachutes are a simple way. They can be found on the utility tab. Okay, when you're choosing parts, select the MK16 parachute by left clicking on it. Well, where are parachutes? Was that in cargo? Nope. Utility? Yes. Click again to attach. Got that. Some parts, like our parachutes here, have configurable options. We need to right click on the parachute we just attached. Oh. Nice. This is why you don't skip the tutorial like I did. Let's see. For now, let's check that the opening height on the chute is at least 1,000 meters. Looks like it is. We're gonna do there. Okay. Oh. Okay. We did that. What am I missing? Ooh. For the minimum pressure slider, move it to a bit to the right. Setting prevents issue from activating until the... Okay, so we want this to be... Can I just... Nope. Oh crap, I'm gonna have to not fat finger this. Oh. Oh, we want to move it to the right, point 2. I thought it was saying set it to point 2. You can't. About 9 kilometers in altitude. I'm just stupid. You can set it to point 0.2. I had it to 0.0. Dang. Click on the engines. Whoop. Fuel tanks, engines. Thumper. Grab one and connect it. Well, this is what we got. Oh, that is huge. Okay. May need to zoom in or out. Yeah, no kidding. You'd have to be better at rocket science. So the problem with our craft is that its solid rocket is too powerful for the payload, which I think is this. Okay, I promise to teach you how to change that to make it work, but for now let's continue. Well, at least this way I get to tell you about removing parts and either drop it back over. Okay, so we can put it over here. Oh, okay, now we get a flea. Okay, I guess we're starting small. Oh, staging stack. I think this is where we're going wrong. Let's see, to fix this we need to separate the engine and the chute into 2 stages. If you mouse over the 0 stage, you will see a little plus and minus. I don't even know where stages is. Oh, golly, I can't see that. Gotta move you guys real quick. Is this okay? Hold up. Plus and minus to add a new stage. If you add too many, click the minus button. So do we want 2 stages? Do we want to put this in stage 1? He's not saying. I'm gonna assume that's what we want. Hang on, maybe I can have you right here. Adjust the staging stack. Okay, now drag the engine icon from 0 down to 1. We are correct. We are good. Alright, now that we have a safe, relatively safe, this better be safe. I want to bring our boys in blue home. Untitled spacecraft doesn't seem so majestic. Hold up. I don't know what we're gonna name this. Oh. Let's go with Chiche. Chiche's Cheech. Hang on, Alright, Chiche's Cheech. Good enough. Now click on the save icon in the upper right. I'm gonna assume that did it. Back at the training room. Okay, so now we gotta learn how to fly it. So let's go to the training room. Gene's back. Let's see. Yes, we have done all that. We have checked in. Now we're going to learn how to pilot this. Basic flight controls. Let's look at all these first. This is a lot. No wonder I couldn't do this on my own. Okay. Cool, Gene. But, dude, I think I'm going to kill Valentina. Okay, W and S. Q and E, that's kind of odd. Dude, I don't think our first astronaut's gonna make it home if I level with you. Spacebar is launch and activating our stage. Stage is in the lower left. Okay, cool. The nav ball, I assume that's this thing. Yeah. This device sums up most of our critical information. I'm not reading all that. In the top center of the screen, you have our altimeter. That's that. Space Center, recover vessel. That we're gonna have to do body recovery, I'm sure. Okay, parachute indicators. One last thing. I just need to know how to deploy this parachute. Risky, unsafe, risky, safe, risky, and unsafe. Safe, risky, unsafe. Cool. Okay. Don't forget our hopper. Okay, so we can't control this. We can only hit space. Oh, poor Valentina. She's not making it home. Uh. Okay, this doesn't seem safe, but we're gonna roll with it. Okay, we got up at about 9,000. I feel like we're gonna have to start dropping soon. 10,000. Oh, is she okay? There's no way we're continuing up. Deploy our parachute. Our motor has burned out, and you're passing app. I can't do that. I can't even pronounce that. Do so. Oh. Oh, dude. I thought I missed it. Okay. We got it, though. I think. Is that even. That's not deployed. That's just a free fall. We... Do I have to push another button? I can't. I think Valentina might die. That should have deployed by now, shouldn't it? Oh, please don't tell me she's gonna die. Open, please. Okay. This is a bit of a rough ride. That was a little sketchy. Cool. We got our home in one piece, though. That's the goal. I think I'm gonna end this here, and then kind of just go learn how to do all of this, so that way I don't have to edit a bunch of stuff out, because I'm already gonna have to do that. But that's fun. I'm hoping you enjoy it too. This is our theme sock, so pick another one for me to do. I guarantee you, whatever kind of sock you pick, I have it. I'm not going to explain why I have a sock on the mic either. I'll see you guys later.